Ganesh Mehta, President of All India Photographic Trade and Industry Association. This association is in existence since last 51 years, and this is our 31st event happening in Delhi. Usually our events are in Mumbai, alternatively in Delhi. This event is regarding photographic industry, which is represented by the exhibitors who are manufacturers, importers, distributors, dealers and service providers. Normally such exhibitions are happening odd years in Delhi and even years in Mumbai. And usually all 3 days presence is about 25,000 people visit the exhibition. And there are almost close to 100 exhibitors on the floor. And I'm sure people who are visiting are photographers, videographers, service providers, and all those who are connected with service media, service social media. I could see this time the crowd has become very young. Average age I am seeing it anywhere between 20 to 30. So these exhibitions are beneficial to grow the industry.
I'm Vivek Handu. I'm the Vice President and Head of the Asia Pacific region for OM System. As you can see, today we are participating here and representing our brand. And we're trying to make sure that the focus from the company is there on the Indian market. And this is just a start. And there's a lot of product categories we're displaying. All our cameras, lenses, and all the other gear is there. And as a company, we are just trying to focus on the outdoor category at this stage. We want to be seen, our gear is perfect for nature photography, landscape, wildlife, macro, and you can see all the products are being displayed. The team is here to help. So please, I encourage everyone to come and visit, and all the products are being shown, and you can experience the great products at OM System, formerly known as Olympus, but now we are known as OM System.
I'm from brand Insta360. We are representing our brand over here in India. It's a 360-degree camera which we produce. X4, X3, Go 3S. Those are the latest high-selling models for us. And then we have the newly launched Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which is the 8K camera, first in the market, being showcased over here in the CEIF exhibition.
My company name is Bharti Creations and I'm an advertising manager for that company. So our company do like the manufacturing of LED light box. You can see behind me LED light box, ultra sim PVC light box. You can see like this. And we do like the manufacturing of lanyards, ID cards, school ID cards, visiting cards, loyalty cards, any type of smart cards in all India we supply in so much less price. So we have a manufacturing unit in Sangli, Maharashtra. So we have an office in Bombay also. We have 4-5 products like we do manufacturing of lanyards, ID cards, visiting cards, loyalty cards, this ultra sim PVC light box and the fabric light box as well. Our Instagram handle is Bharti DTF. You can see all the products over there, and we have a website bhartiprint.com and bharticard.com. You can visit over there and we can share you the details if you want to contact us. There's the details on screen. Thank you.
Myself is Ankur. I am from Fab Albums, and we are a manufacturer of photo books, albums, and corporate and personalized gifting products. We have been manufacturing and exporting all our products through various worldwide countries, and right now we have introduced in India a whole range of newly innovative corporate gifting products. So the purpose of these products is for as a multi-purpose use. You can use it for gifting, you can use it or for your personalized, as well as you can use it for the corporate gifting ones. And we have been offering a very good discounts into this product, so you can just showcase those products at your own studio and to get and more revenue generation from that. Thank you. Have a nice.
So we are ProCube Enterprises. Currently, we are organizing our products into our stall for specifically for the photographers who is into the still photography. And you can say we are currently providing the solution, videography solution right now in this exhibition to new photographers who start their photography business from scratch. And we are providing the equipments like backdrops and chain pulley systems, and you can say also there is a multiple stands, lighting stands, and the lighting part as well. So we are into this line of business for last 38 years, and currently you can say we are holding 12,000 plus product line, and these products are basically best suited for the photographer who really want to start a business and want a solution how to make the photography and more smooth and the lighting more smoothness in their imaging. So currently you can say there is a channel system, and there is a stand, and there is the lighting system, which is helpful for making the quality of the video better.